We're ready for the summary part of your paper. It says you're supposed to open your career exploration document you've been working on. You'll receive bonus points if you have all 5 sections in one document. This is what you should have been doing, is just adding on to your personality document and going from there. If you have not been doing that, you may want to copy and paste all of the other sections into this paper. And this should be your order: personality, values, interest, aptitudes, and now we're ready to work on the summary part. Make sure you use complete sentences and correct any errors that you make. Being complete is very important. Don't rush through this. This should be some assistance to you as you plan your next 3 years of high school. You may want to check the rubric to see how this assignment is being graded. Return 2 times and type the word summary. After that, you're going to return 2 times and start the summary section of your paper. After evaluating personality, values, interests, and aptitudes, it's time to tie this all together. You will start to focus on one career. Make sure you type complete sentences again, and you will end up with 8 paragraphs. Paragraph 1. Look at the paragraphs you've written for your personality, interests, and aptitudes part of your paper. Identify a career that you're interested in and matches all 3 of those. So you should be able to go through your papers and find one career that pops up all the time. Next, you're going to go to one of these 2 sites, and you're going to use these as your resource. Paragraph 2, in your own words, define what they're going to do. So then you'll go into one of the 2 sites. There's the Occupation Outlook Handbook, and there's O-Net that we've worked with. We've worked mostly with the Occupation Outlook Handbook. So then you're going to go in here, search for your career. I'm going to do accountant. And I come up with accountant and auditors. The first paragraph says, in your own words, define what they're going to do. So you'll go through what do they do, and you go through here and define what they're going to do. Do not copy and paste. It's real obvious when you do that. Even just changing one word is not putting it into your own words. So you need at least 4 complete sentences. Paragraph 3, how many jobs there were in 2018, or at least the last time it's recorded. Sometimes it comes up as 2016, sometimes 2018. You can kind of tell that. How many jobs are predicted in 2028? What's the percent of increase or decrease that's projected? So again, 4 complete sentences going into the job outlook. And it does tell you your prospects and so forth. Going on to paragraph 4, which will be 4 complete sentences also. It says, what do you have to do after high school to become whatever you have chosen? Talk about education, related experience, job training. Okay, so if I go in here, I'm going to look at how to become one. Here's my licensures, my education, and so forth, job training. Paragraph 5, what are the important qualities? You may also define these qualities. You need at least 4 complete sentences here. Do not just list them, but explain what qualities go into them. So I would go into, I'm still on how to become one. I can go down to, again, some important qualities. Then you would go through your important qualities. For example, like I could do math skills. I could say that although I'm weak in math skills, this is something that I can work on since it's one of the important qualities of becoming an accountant. Okay, paragraph 6, it says, what is the median pay? What is the median pay for North Dakota? Pick another state and compare the difference. You'll have to use this site for the median pay for a specific state. So I'm going to go through, here's my Occupation Outlook Handbook. I can click on the pay, find out the median pay. It says I have to use this site to find my state, so I'm going to type in accountant. I'm going to go to that site. I'm going to go to wages and employment, and I can pick North Dakota, and I can actually put in my zip code if I wanted to do it that way, and then find out what North Dakota is and so forth for the average pay for accountants. And then you will also do another state, and you'll have 4 complete sentences. Paragraph 7. If you choose this career, where do you think you'll be going to school or training? So pick a college or university, go to their website and see what they offer in that specific career and how long it's going to take you to obtain that career. This is 3 complete sentences. Paragraph 8. What do you have to start doing now to prepare for success? Describe the classes you should be taking, organizations you should be part of, volunteer work, or jobs to consider, etc. that will give you a jump start when you leave high school. If I choose the accounting, I would have to take the high school accounting class to become familiar with accounting. I may also want to include marketing classes and other business classes that go along with that. Once you are done with the paper, you will want to double check it with the rubric that is attached and then submit it. Hopefully you have picked up some ideas of what you need to do to prepare yourself for your career.